In this SkyTab video, we will go over how to split a check when only one seat was entered. Select the table that you wish to split, then press Manage Ticket. Once the ticket comes up, press Split Ticket. Select the desired items by highlighting them and then press Seat 1 in the empty ticket. You will now see the selected items on the new ticket. Now simply repeat the previous steps for the number of tickets that you will need. Once you have finished editing the check, press Save. To close the check, simply select the desired check and press Take Payment. Then select the media and close accordingly.